Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to write and run a JavaScript program. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers and supporters in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. JavaScript is one of the most very popular scripting language that is used in a wide variety of web applications. So in this tutorial video, I will teach you on how to write and then run. Basically guys, when you are writing a JavaScript program, you have a basic understanding of HTML or hypertext markup language, and then how you know also how to use your browser. So we have here HTML, the title, how to write and run a JavaScript program, title tag, body tag, and then script. And then we are using a command here in JavaScript alert. This is a JavaScript program. It will display a dialog box, no, to display this message. This is a JavaScript program. And then script, body, and HTML. Now let us, the way how do we run this program is very simple. We go to our directory, and then we have here how to write a JavaScript program, and just double click, and then it will execute. This is a JavaScript program. Okay, so here this is for Mozilla Firefox. How about in Google Chrome? Control O, go to C, YouTube, how to write a JavaScript program. Double select, this is a JavaScript program, click OK. It will hide. View source, this is the code. Okay, so refresh, it will execute again. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write and run a JavaScript program. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have some questions, clarification, just leave it in the comment section of this video tutorial. Once again, if you are new with my channel, please click the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscriber. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now. Bye.